Like I was like, what's that? This is really good. I'm the trail guys in there. What? What? Everything on the things online, there's no guarantees, right? There weren't any real recent reviews on online. The app we usually use for trails didn't include this. Didn't have any. All Trails doesn't have a trail to come down here.
Oh, sorry, you're in the video, aren't you?